Okay, class 12, 4 marks questions already we have started. Our next question, integral e to the power 2x minus 1 minus e to the power 1 minus 2x by e to the power x plus 2 dx. Okay, now integral e to the power 2x minus 1 by e to the power x plus 2, easily we can break in this way. Why? Because algebraic rule we know a plus b by c means a by c plus b by c. Just we will follow this algebraic rule here. So e to the power 2x minus 1 by e to the power x plus 2 minus e to the power 1 minus 2x by x e to the power x plus 2 dx. This as simple as that. 2x minus 1, same base, power will be subtracted. So 2x minus 1 minus x minus 2, and here also the same, 1 minus 2x minus x minus 2. Done. Now we get 2x minus x as x and minus 1 minus 2 minus e to the power x minus 3, and here we get e to the power minus 3x minus 1. So here we get integral e to the power x by e to the power 3, as it is x minus 3, so we can write by e to the power 3 minus it, same here, e to the power minus 3x by e. So 1 by e to the power 3 constant term, take it outside the integral. So integral e to the power x is again e to the power x minus 1 by e to the power integral minus 3x means e to the power mx by m. Here m is minus 3, so e to the power minus 3x by minus 3 plus c. So it's coming e to the power again x minus 3 plus minus into minus is coming plus, so plus 1/3 e to the power minus 3x by 3. Yes, minus 3x minus 1, as it is e to the power 1 here. So e to the power x minus 3 plus 1/3 e to the power minus 3x plus 1 plus c. This is the answer. Coming with the next sum. Okay, next sum number 3. Sum number 3 part 1. Evaluate or integrate whatever. Integral 8 to the power 2 plus x plus 2 whole divided by 2 to the power x plus 3 dx. This is the question. Numerator part is 8 to the power 2 plus x by plus 2 divided by 2 to the power x plus 3. Okay, now 8 we can break as 2 cube. So it's coming 2 to the power 3 into 2 plus x plus 2 divided by 2 to the power x plus 3 dx. Just break this. What we will get? 2 to the power 6 plus 3x plus 2 whole divided by 2 to the power x plus 3 by dx. Now same as before, as the previous sum we did, 2 to the power 6 plus 3x by this, and 2 to the 2 by 2 to the power x plus 3. Then separate the integral part. What we will get? 2 to the power 6 plus 3x by 2 to the power x plus 3 dx plus 2 to the power 2 by 2 to the power x plus 3 dx. Okay, now just evaluating what we will get. Let us write directly. 6 plus 3x minus x plus 3. So 6 minus 3 will be 3, and 3x minus x is 2x. So what we will write? 2 to the power 3 plus 2x dx plus, and the next is 1 minus x minus 3. So 1 minus 3 means minus 2. So minus x minus 2, minus x minus 2. Okay, then what we will get here? 2 to the power 3 plus 2x means we can write 2 cube into 2 to the power 2x dx plus, and here also the same, 2 to the power minus x by 2 square we can write dx. Okay, and 2 cube means 8. Just take it outside. So it's coming 2 to the power 2x dx plus, and it's coming 1 by 4 integral 2 to the power minus x dx. Okay, just do this evaluation part. A to the power mx formula we know. A to the power integral a to the power mx, just to a to the power mx by log a to the base m. There you whatever 2 to the power 2x dx and 2 to the power minus x dx. This part you can expand on your own. Okay, now coming with the next sums. Next sum, Sum number 4, evaluate integral cos cube x dx. Cos cube x dx. Okay, now cos 3x formula. Cos 3x, what is the formula of cos 3x? Cos 3x. Recapitulate all the integral trigonometry formula what you have done in class 11, that multiple angle, submultiple angle, compound angle. Just revise everything, otherwise you cannot do all these sums. Okay, now cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Since we need 4 cos cube x and here it's only cos cube x, just multiply by 4 and then divide in outside by 4. So 4 cos cube x directly we can write. 4 cos cube x means what? Cos 3x plus 3 cos x. 4 cos cube x is cos 3x plus 3 cos x. So write here cos 3x plus 3 cos x dx. Now same as before, again separate. Separate cos 3x dx plus 1 by 4 into 3 integral cos x dx. Okay. Now cos mx we know the formula and integral cos x also we know the formula. Just put the formula here. Just follow the formula. Next sum. Here what will be? Here we will write sin 3x by 3 and here will integral cos x means only sin x. That's all. Next sum number part 4. What is the question? Integral cos x plus sin x whole divided by cos x minus sin x into 1 minus sin x dx. Okay. Now 1 means what? 1 means sin square x plus cos square x. So can we write 1 minus sin 2x? 1 minus sin 2x means instead of 1 we can write cos square x plus sin square x, and here it is sin x. What is the question? Sin 2x, not sin x, it is sin 2x. Instead of sin 2x we can write 2 sin x cos x. Okay, then easily we can write cos x minus sin x whole square. So what we will write here? Cos x plus sin x, okay, into cos square x plus sin square x minus 2 sin x cos x. So we can write cos x minus sin x whole square, and the denominator part already cos x minus sin x existing. Since it is existing here, so it will be cancelled. Okay, so what we will write? Cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x. That means cos square x minus sin square x. Okay, dx. Cos square x minus sin square x means again we know that is cos 2x. So integral cos 2x formula we know, sin 2x by 2. Sin 2x by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Sin 2x by 2 plus c. This will be the answer. Okay. Next sum number. Sum number 4, part 7. Sum number 4, part 7. Yes. Question is 1 plus cos x whole divided by 1 minus cos x. Okay. Now cos 2x equals to cos square x minus sin square x. So 1 minus cos 2x will be 2 sin square x. Already I have shown you. So write here 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. Therefore submultiple angle we can write 2 sin square theta by 2 equals to 1 minus cos theta. Got it? So 2 sin square theta by 2 means 1 minus cos theta. Similarly 2 cos square theta by 2 we can write 1 plus cos theta. Okay, just we will put this value here. 1 plus cos x means, so 1 plus cos x we will write 2 cos square x by 2, and here we will write 2 sin square x by 2. 2 cos square x by 2, and here we will write 2 sin square x by 2. Okay, 2 cancel, cos by sin cot, so it's coming cot square x by 2. It's coming cot square x by 2. Cot square x by 2 directly formula is not there, so let us expand the form of cosec. So cosec square x by 2 minus 1 dx. Now separate. So what we will write? Integral cosec square x by 2 dx minus dx. Integral cosec square x by 2 means minus cot x by 2 by half minus integral dx is a plus c. Okay, so we will get minus 2 cot x by 2 minus x plus c. This is your answer. Okay. Okay students, I think other sums up to, okay, let me make one more video. Okay, coming with the other sums, only very few sums left of this exercise.